Hi, my name is Sophia, and today I'm going to be talking about our unit where we are in place and time, and different interpretations of the past can be discovered by investigating historical events. So that's what I'm going to be talking about today. And today, the first event that I'm going to be talking about is the sinking of the Titanic. And this event was very, very, very tragic because they never imagined this boat called the Titanic would ever sink or get hit or anything would get attacked, because it is a cruise boat, and a lot of people did go on it. But one day, it hit an iceberg. It looked very tiny from the top, but under the water, it was this huge, gargantuan piece of ice. So it hit it, and it broke a hole in the boat, and it sank. And to prevent this from happening, what I thought was to make more lifeboats and more stuff to prepare them if something did happen like this again. And it didn't hit it straight on, and if it did, it wouldn't go straight through it, but it'd still sink, but it'd give more people on the boat to have more time to get off. And I knew about this because I did see part of the Titanic, and it was this huge news article from the news for a very long time, so that's why. And it was very, very tragic. Everybody was very sad, and I was just very, very tragic. And the next I'm going to talk about, the 9/11 attack. It happened in September, the 9th of the 11th, so the 11th of September. And this event was 2 terrorist planes hit the Twin Towers in America. Now, I bet you were wondering, this was not the only attack that was meant to happen. And like I talked about with the Titanic before, they weren't prepared for something like the terrorist planes, like the iceberg with the Titanic. So what happened was, this wasn't the only attack. So one of them was meant to happen in the Pentagon, and one of them was meant to happen in the White House. But the one that was meant to happen in the Pentagon and the White House, they both got crushed in a field because the people overruled the terrorists, and they convinced them to, not convinced, but took over and crashed the plane in the field. So what happened here was it was very, very, very tragic, because the 2 planes hit the Twin Towers, and a lot of people did die. And I'm not exactly sure how many people got out, but everybody was there to watch it, and it was just out of the blue. And they later found out that the person who planned all of this was Osama bin Laden. He was later caught, and he was sent to prison, and that was good because he deserved actions and consequences. So that was very, very good that happened. Okay, so that's the end, and I hope you enjoyed it.